Hey, how are you doing today? So as you've probably seen over the last few videos, I'm a Binance affiliate and I actually share my link in the description. So thanks to whoever registers actually has extra perks like off trading fees, and this is something which you won't get it if you just go to Binance and register directly. And Binance actually gave me a surprise and surprised me with their merch box, and this is something which I'm really excited about because this will be a first unboxing video for me ever done. So stay tuned, as what I will do, I'll actually unbox the merch from Binance which I got from them. So let's do it. To be honest, the first thing, the marketing from Binance is awesome. Like, I love the box, it's great. This is something which, if I'll be doing, like my merch will be probably upgraded at some point to this level as well. But they are great. Okay, let's do it. Okay, some covering. All right, so what first? So we have a cap with Binance. So we have on the side of Binance. That's decent. See it nicely. Okay, that's pretty decent. Cool. What else do we have? Celebrate 4 years of Binance with this token of appreciation. Awesome. Thank you very much, Binance. I really appreciate that. What else do we have in the box? Okay, so I see this is some kind of bag. That's cool. Some kind of strap. And it's a beach bag. Okay, cool. So, I think they already know I'm ready to go to a beach. Awesome. And now the bigger stuff. Okay, this is some kind of vest, I think. Let's see that. Honestly, I'm pretty excited about, what is that? Let's just see, guys. Yeah, so it's actually a Binance. I think it's a waterproof coat, so it's a coat. I can grab it around. That's awesome. What else do we have here? That looks like a t-shirt. Oh my god. Oh, to be honest, I think I just found my favorite item, a Binance t-shirt. But look at the style they did it. It's actually not the writing, it's embedded. It's like standing out. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's actually standing out as the merch. That's pretty cool. I'll be honest, great idea. Wow. All right. That box is pretty big, to be honest. It's keep going and going. Okay, that's not the end. And we have some towel. Awesome. This obviously, like, I know that it's a summertime, so they prepared us for the summer. So I see that I'll be definitely going with black and yellow. Binance one. Wow, okay, different other way around. Binance, honestly, that's really, really nice. To be honest, I'm so happy that, Binance actually rewarding their affiliates, and also I know that there was some contest which you can actually win that merch as well, because you cannot actually buy it. It's something which Binance just do as a thing for as a token of appreciation, and that's really cool. But by the way, if you also looking for some merch, like we also at the Mad Investor, we have our own merchant store called Madware, and you can grab also a t-shirt of Mad Investor or some other options like some hoodies, like something with which is a bit different. I see that we're keeping the Binance quality, which I really like. I think we need to look into that box as well, because that's something totally different. So maybe masks if this is a COVID time, and we also have some notebooks and some mugs. So many different options. Just grab it on our website. As in general, I think it's nice to have some cool merch, especially in the cryptocurrency niche. Thanks again, Binance. I really appreciate that. This is so cool from you guys to actually, send it to your super affiliates. I really appreciate that token of gesture. And well, see you in the next video. Take care.